Good day and welcome to South Africa Simplified. Every month, millions of South Africans depend on social grants to support their families. But many people apply for grants and are shocked when their applications are rejected. In many cases, the rejection is caused by simple mistakes that applicants didn't even realize they made. In this video, we will explain 7 common mistakes that can get your SASSA grant rejected and what you can do to avoid them. If you are planning to apply for a grant, or if your application was declined, this video may help you understand the reasons and improve your chances of approval. Grants provided by the South African Social Security Agency play an important role in helping millions of people across South Africa. So it is important to apply correctly. Mistake number 1, incorrect personal information. One of the most common reasons for grant rejection is incorrect personal information. This can include mistakes such as entering the wrong ID number, misspelling your name, or providing an incorrect date of birth. When you apply for a grant, SASSA verifies your information with records from the Department of Home Affairs, South Africa. If the details you submit do not match their database, your application may automatically be declined. Even a small spelling mistake in your name can cause problems. Before submitting your application, it is always a good idea to carefully check your ID number, your full name, and your personal details to make sure everything matches your official documents. Mistake number 2, not meeting the income requirements. Another common reason applications get rejected is because the applicant does not meet the income requirements. Most SASSA grants are designed for people with little or no income. If your bank account shows regular deposits or earnings above the allowed threshold, your application may be declined. This includes money from employment, business income, or other financial support. SASSA often checks banking information to determine whether an applicant qualifies financially. Before applying, it is important to check the eligibility rules for the specific grant you want to apply for. Mistake 3, already receiving another grant. Some grants cannot be received at the same time as others. If you are already receiving a certain government benefit, it may affect your eligibility for another grant. For example, certain grants are designed for specific categories such as children, older persons, or people with disabilities. If the system detects that you are already receiving another benefit that conflicts with the one you applied for, your application may be rejected. It is always important to understand which grants you qualify for before submitting an application. Mistake 4, incorrect banking details. Banking details are another important part of the application process. SASSA requires that the bank account used for payments must belong to the applicant. If the account belongs to someone else, the system may flag the application. Incorrect account numbers or incorrect bank information can also cause problems. These mistakes can delay payments or lead to rejection. Always double-check that the banking details you provide are correct and that the account is registered in your name. Mistake 5, missing documents. Another reason applications are rejected is missing or incomplete documents. Depending on the grant, SASSA may require documents such as a valid South African ID, proof of income, medical reports for disability grants, birth certificates for child support grants. If these documents are missing or incomplete, the application may not be approved. Preparing your documents before applying can make the process much smoother. Mistake number 6, submitting multiple applications. Some people believe that submitting multiple applications will increase their chances of approval. But in reality, this can create problems in the system. Duplicate applications can cause delays, confusion, or rejection. It is always better to submit one accurate and complete application rather than multiple submissions. Mistake number 7, not updating your information. Another mistake people make is not updating their personal or financial information. If your situation changes, such as getting a job, changing your address, or changing your bank account, it is important to update your details with SASSA. Outdated information can cause issues with your application or payments. Keeping your records up to date helps ensure that your grant application is processed correctly. If your SASSA grant application was rejected, do not panic. In many cases, the issue can be corrected, and you may be able to reapply or submit an appeal. The most important thing is to make sure your information is accurate and that you meet the requirements for the grants. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more updates and guides about government benefits and every relevant news in South Africa.